Vendasta's business app is the portal you can provide to your SMB clients. To get a business set up in Business App, you'll need to complete 3 steps. Create an account for the business, add users, and help them connect their external tools like Google and Facebook. So let's get to it. Create a business app account for a client. From partners.vendasta.com, under Businesses, Accounts, click Create Account in the top right corner. As a quick note, there's a drop-down menu here for being able to import multiple accounts using a CSV file. But in today's example, we're just going to be creating a single business app account. When we click on Create Account, you'll see that you can search for a specific business. If the business you're adding is found with a Google Business profile, you'll be able to search it and add it right in here, just like that. It'll even pre-populate with all of the relevant information about that business. If, however, this business does not have a Google Business profile, or if it's listed as a service area business, you'll click on Skip to Account Creation. From here, you'll be able to enter in all of the details about this business: name, business category, and so on. It's just a matter of adding in all the relevant information. If this business operates out of a home address, you can mark it as a service area business to hide the physical address. Or, if they have a main office or physical brick and mortar location, definitely keep that unchecked. Make sure that here, under Administration, you add yourself or someone on your sales team as the salesperson. This is a good habit to get into for all of your different accounts going forward. Once everything's been filled out and completed, you can click on Create Account. With this account created, you'll see that there are some actions that you can take to get started with, like creating a snapshot report, activating products or services, or adding users on the account. Feel free to give each of these steps a try, or start adding in more accounts right now. With your first business account in place, you're on the right track for getting more business apps set up for all your local business clients.